Hey everyone, welcome back. If your internet feels slow when loading websites even with good speed, your DNS might be the problem. In this guide, I'll show you how to change DNS on your PC for faster browsing in 2026. Quickly, DNS is like the internet's phone book. It translates website names into IP addresses. So using a faster DNS can reduce loading delays. Alright, first open your Windows settings. You can search for it or press the Windows key. Next, click on Network and Internet from the menu. Now go to Advanced Network Settings, then open More Network Adapter Options. Right-click your active connection, either Wi-Fi or Ethernet, and click Properties. Find Internet Protocol version 4 and click Properties. Now select Use the following DNS server addresses and enter a faster DNS, for example, Google DNS or Cloudflare. Click OK and close all windows to save your changes. For best results, flush your DNS cache. This makes sure your system uses the new DNS immediately. Finally, test your browsing speed. You should notice faster website loading and smoother performance. And that's it. Changing your DNS is one of the easiest ways to improve internet performance on your PC, no extra software needed.